What is this box? Did you find treasure? I've never seen this before. Open it. Okay. Ryan, look at this. What does it say? I don't know. Why do you look scared?
What are you doing here?
Nothing. We found a box.
Come downstairs.
How was school?
Good.
You seem distracted.
I'm just tired.
Transferred infant. What does that mean? Why is my name here? This doesn't make sense.
Ryan looks like Dad. Mom and Ryan have the same eyes. Why don't I look like them? Have I never noticed before?
You were such a blessing.
What do you mean?
Nothing, dear.
Mom? Why did Grandma stop talking?
Don't worry about it.
You're hiding something.
It's nothing. Where are my baby pictures? Maybe Mom has them. There are only photos after age 2. That's weird. Mom, Dad,
What's wrong?
am I adopted?
Billie,
Am I adopted?
Billie,
where did you find that?
What's happening? Please answer me. It's complicated. Just tell me the truth.
Not tonight.
Why won't they tell me? What are they hiding? Who am I really? I need answers. You'll always be my sister. What if I'm not? You are. I don't know anymore.
we can't hide it forever.
She's not ready.
She already knows something.
I'm scared.
What's in there?
Private papers.
About me?
Billie, please.
There must be something. Look at this photo. I've never seen it before. Neither have I. This isn't our family name. Whose name is that? I don't know. This is getting strange. Why is she looking at me?
Do I know her?
This is weird. Who is this woman? Is that you as a baby? I think so. What if she's my real mother? Who are you? Why do I look like you? Maybe she's a relative. Then why is nobody talking about her? There's an address here. Can you read it? Only part of it. Maybe it's important. Who is this woman? Where did you find that?
Billie, put it away.
Tell me the truth.
I have to hide this.
Dad is hiding something. What was that envelope? I need to know. Be careful. These are hospital papers. Why are they hidden? What do they say? I don't understand everything. Emily Carter. Who's Emily? I've never heard that name. Maybe she's connected to you. There are too many results. Keep looking. Wait. What did you find? This woman looks like me. You're right. The article is 20 years old. That's impossible. A couple died in an accident. That's terrible. Emily Carter was one of them. The same woman? Hello? Who is this? My name is Billie. Billie! Is it really you? Who are you? I've been waiting for your call. How do you know my name? Because I know your story.
You must be Billie.
Do I know you?
Who is she?
There's something I need to tell you. That's me. You were a baby.
Yes.
Who are these people?
Their names were Emily and Daniel.
My parents?
Your biological parents.
Billie.
They loved you very much, but they died in an accident.
No! I'm so sorry.
I'm Grace.
Grace?
I'm your grandmother.
Grandma. Why didn't anyone tell me?
Your parents wanted to protect you.
They love you. Then why keep it secret? I feel confused. You are not alone.
We are here for you.
Thank you.
These are your memories.
Can I see them? Of course.
Take your time.
Is this me?
Yes. You were so little.
I can't believe it.
Billie.
Mom.
Can we talk?
Yes. These are your baby pictures. You kept all of them?
Every single one.
They are special.
This was your first birthday.
I remember this cake. You love chocolate.
We were so happy.
Why did you choose me?
Because we loved you.
From the very first day.
You belong with us. I love you, Mom. I love you too.
Always.
We are a family.
You will always be my sister.
Always?
Always. Forever.
I feel better now. That makes me happy.
You are never alone.
We are together.
Hot chocolate?
Yes, please.
Don't forget the cookies. Family time is the best.
I'll stir it. cookies are ready.
Perfect.
I am lucky.
We are lucky too.
You are our daughter.
Best sister ever.
What is this? A letter? It was hidden. Should I read it? No. This can't be true. Why? Why didn't they tell me?
I found this.
Where did you find it? In the photo album.
Oh no.
We never wanted this. Please tell me.
You deserve the truth.
I'm listening.
Who is she? Your birth mother. She's real?
Yes.
I'm here. Everything feels different. I'm not leaving.
Thank you.
We love you.
Forever.
I love you too.
Always.
I know who I am. You always did.
Our family is stronger.
Together forever.
She is adopted. Everyone knows. Please stop. Leave her alone. You don't belong here. Your real family left you. Please. Enough! Stop hurting her. We're telling the truth. Truth is not an excuse to be cruel. Ryan. What is happening here? They are bullying Billie. Everyone sit down. What is happening here? They are bullying Billie. Everyone sit down. Being adopted is not something to laugh about.
We didn't know.
Words can hurt. Please be kind.
Why me? Because you are special. Do you really think so? Always. Can I sit here?
Yes. I think you're nice.
Thank you.
We're sorry.
We were wrong.
Thank you. Everyone deserves kindness.
Will you play with us? Yes. That's my sister. Let's play! See? You're having fun! Welcome home.
Today was hard.
You are never alone.
We are family.